Imagine an Alexa so advanced it feels like you're chatting with a human, handling complex tasks, holding natural conversations, and understanding you like never before. Amazon is making a huge change, replacing its AI with Anthropic's Claude model. But is this the future of smart assistants, or is Amazon making a risky bet? Let's dive in. The big shift to Anthropic's Claude. Amazon's been working on a secretive project known internally as Remarkable Alexa, or Project Banyan. They initially planned to use their own AI, but internal testing revealed major issues. Alexa was too slow, sometimes taking up to 7 seconds to respond. In today's world, where instant answers are the norm, this was a deal-breaker. So Amazon pivoted to Anthropic, a San Francisco-based AI startup founded by ex-OpenAI employees. Anthropic's Claude model not only performed better, but also showcased an impressive ability to understand context, making conversations feel more human-like. What makes Remarkable Alexa different? This new Alexa isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining designed to feel like a real assistant. The Claude AI model allows Alexa to understand complex questions and provide tailored responses. Imagine packing for a beach vacation and asking Alexa, "What should I bring for a Bali trip?" Instead of generic advice, you'd get personalized recommendations based on the weather, your style, and your past trips. And it doesn't stop there. Alexa can handle multi-step tasks effortlessly. You could say, "Alexa, order dinner, remind me about a meeting, and set the lights for movie night," and it's done in seconds. Catch a paid subscription. But there's a twist. Amazon plans to charge for this upgraded Alexa, costing between $5 to $10 a month. This is a big shift, especially since we're used to Alexa being part of our Prime benefits. Now, Amazon is betting these enhanced features will be worth paying extra, but it's a gamble. With Prime already costing $139 a year, adding another fee might not sit well with everyone. Even within Amazon, there's some doubt about whether customers will pay for what was once free. Revenue and the drive to compete. So why is Amazon making this move now? Despite selling over 500 million Alexa devices, the voice assistant division hasn't been the cash cow Amazon hoped for. Leadership is pushing hard for Alexa to generate more revenue, seeing this upgraded version as a golden opportunity. With 100 million active users, if just 10% opt for the paid version, Amazon could see at least $600 million in annual revenue. It's a bold plan to turn Alexa from a cost-heavy service into a profitable business. Anthropic's role: a strategic shift. Amazon's partnership with Anthropic represents a major change in their strategy. Historically, Amazon built its tech in-house to maintain control over user experience and data. But with competitors like Microsoft integrating advanced AI models into their products, Amazon felt the heat. Teaming up with Anthropic allows Amazon to leapfrog ahead without reinventing the wheel, which is essential in today's fast-moving AI landscape. Advanced features and potential concerns. What sets this new Alexa apart? For one, it's expected to integrate better with smart home devices and remember user preferences more effectively. Think of it as having a butler who knows all your routines, dimming your lights to the perfect level each night, or having coffee ready when you wake up. For families, Alexa could become more interactive with kids, assisting with homework, playing educational games, or telling stories that adapt to your child's interests. However, with these advances, concerns about data privacy are inevitable. Handling more personal data means Amazon will need to be transparent about how they manage and protect your information. Amazon's broader AI Vision Alexa isn't the only AI project Amazon has up its sleeve. They've been working on Amazon Q, an internal AI assistant that has saved the company millions by automating repetitive software tasks. Additionally, Amazon is ramping up its robotics game, recently hiring the brains behind Covariant, a startup developing intelligent robotic arms for warehouse tasks. These moves highlight Amazon's ambition to weave AI into every aspect of its operations, from consumer products to internal efficiencies. The future of Alexa. Amazon's gamble on Anthropic's AI could redefine our expectations of smart assistants, but will people be willing to pay? This move isn't just about enhancing Alexa, it's about securing Amazon's place in the rapidly evolving AI market. As the competition heats up, Amazon knows it can't afford to lag. So what do you think? Would you pay for a smarter Alexa, or should Amazon keep these features free? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.